Unraveling the intensity of raging mad. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today, we are going to dive into a colorful and expressive phrase in the English language, raging mad. If you've ever felt more than just a little angry, then this term might resonate with you. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it without actually getting raging mad. When someone is described as being raging mad, it means they are extremely angry, to the point where they may lose control of their emotions. The word raging is typically used to describe something wild and uncontrollable, like a storm or a fire. So, when paired with mad, it amplifies the level of anger to something fierce and powerful. To fully understand raging mad, let's break it down. Raging, this adjective suggests an intense, often destructive force. It paints a picture of someone who is feeling a powerful, almost tempestuous anger. Mad, while mad can simply mean angry, it also has connotations of insanity when used on its own. In the phrase, raging mad, it's clear that the focus is on the intensity of the anger rather than suggesting someone is actually insane. Now, let's see how to use raging mad in context. Here are a few examples. When he found out that his work had been stolen, he was raging mad. She became raging mad after seeing the mess the dog had made in the house. I haven't seen him that raging mad in years. It was quite shocking. These sentences show that the phrase can be used to describe someone's reaction to a situation that causes them to become very angry. It's important to note that raging mad is a fairly informal phrase. It's best used in casual conversation or in writing that adopts a conversational tone. It's not a phrase that you would likely find in formal writing or professional communication. Also, be mindful of the emotional state of the person you're speaking about or to. It's a strong phrase that conveys a deep level of emotion. And that wraps up our exploration of raging mad. I hope this video has been enlightening and that you now feel confident using this phrase in the appropriate context. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about conveying emotions and experiences. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.